What's up, guys? Just wanted y'all to see what kind of houses we buy and make them look good. Got the hole in the roof. Think we can say those cabinets? Jeez, this one is a little bit rough, but we could still probably make it work. Just a little bit of mold. Got a few additions. It's a step down. I don't know what the addition's about, but we do buy these crazy houses and make them work. See, there's the beam. It looks like can maybe save. I don't know. We'll have to see. Oh, it's so dark over here. Can I see your phone? What is this? Oh, bedroom. Jeez, barely hanging on there. Foundation too.
Mm-hmm.
The bathroom. Who wants to buy this? Move-in ready. Move-in ready. Come on. Another bedroom. That one's not too bad. So you got 1, 2, third bedroom over here, I guess. Make this a bedroom. Have to make it a bedroom. Make it a 3.
It's 4 bedrooms. If you convert this one a bedroom.
1, 2.
3.
Okay. Well,
1, 2, 3.
we'll look at it. Miguel, what do you think we can do this for?
50.
50,000. We'll get this house in order. So, but that's at our cost. Just wanted y'all to check out what we buy.